Welcome back to our HTML tutorial series Part 5. Today, we will be diving into Part 5. First, let's go over the div tag, which is a container for other HTML elements. With the div tag, you can group and organize different sections of your web page. You can apply styles and add CSS classes to the div tag for customization. Next, we have the header tag, which represents the introductory content at the top of a web page. The header tag often includes the website logo, navigation menu, and a catchy headline. After the header, we have the nav tag. This tag represents a section with navigation links. By structuring your navigation using the nav tag, you improve accessibility and search engine optimization. Moving on, we have the section tag, which represents a logical section within a web page. Use the section tag to divide your content into different parts for better organization. Another important tag is the article tag, which represents a self-contained piece of content. This tag is commonly used for blog posts, news articles, and similar types of content. Now, let's talk about the aside tag, which is used for content that is related but not central to the main content. An aside can include sidebars, pull quotes, or any other content that enhances the main article. Next up is the footer tag, which represents the footer of a web page or a section. The footer often includes copyright information, contact details, and links to social media. Then, we have the figure tag, which is used to group media content, such as images or videos. Use the figure tag to add captions or descriptions to your media content for improved accessibility. The figcaption tag is used to provide a caption or description for the media content within the figure tag. With these tags, you can add context and enhance the understanding of your media content. Lastly, we have the main tag, which represents the main content of a document or web page. Use the main tag to identify the primary content that the web page is focused on. That's all for HTML Part 5. We've covered some important structural elements for creating well-organized web pages.